Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ummah Qazi and I am from class 4. Today I will be speaking on Are We Proud Pakistanis? Your head is bent and you keep it all inside you. Your ideas, your feeling, your opinion and your identity. Who you really are. What you want to let out and show the world. We would suspect it all if you weren't an independent space. Even now, if you chase out and move away, you cannot have freedom. गुलामी में काम आती नहीं शमशीरें ना तस्वीरें. So why wouldn't I be proud to be the daughter of the soil which gives you and me the freedom to live with our heads up high? Why wouldn't I be proud to belonging to a nation which is founded upon the name of God, where we can live our lives freely as true Muslims, away from the tortures of Hindus? Why wouldn't I be proud of the land which is fertile because the mercury is blood? बड़ी कुर्बानियों से पाया है इसको रूहे ज़मीन कहते हैं जिसको. Why wouldn't I be proud of Iqbal's dream and Khalid's struggle? Why wouldn't I be proud of farmers who starve but feed others? Why wouldn't I be proud of my country's youth, its mothers and their prayers? Love, peace and prosperity is my nation's message. Why wouldn't I be proud of Pakistan? मुझे जन्नत मुकद्दम है मगर इस सरज़मीन पाक मैं खाके खुल्द से पहले तेरी मिट्टी को चूमूंगी. शुक्रिया.